Ambati Silks, Kanchipuram Saree Store, now in Vijayawada. Exclusive Pattu sarees, salwars and lehengas.
Bharat's journey to becoming a space superpower owes much to one visionary, Dr. Nambi Narayanan. His pioneering work in liquid propulsion led to the development of the Vikas engine, the backbone of the PSLV and GSLV rockets, for which he was honored with the Padma Bhushan. This breakthrough strengthened the nation's self-reliance in space launch capabilities and placed Bharat on the global map of space technology. Round of applause for Dr. Nambi Narayanan. Our guest now moving. A.S. Kiran Kumar. A.S. Kiran Kumar's leadership marked a golden chapter in Bharat's space exploration history. A Padma Shri awardee, he strengthened every pillar of Bharat's space capability, spanning Earth observation, interplanetary missions, village connectivity, and technological self-reliance. Under his guidance, various innovations have transformed Bharat's space technology into a powerful instrument for inclusive growth and national development. Warm round of applause for A.S. Kiran Kumar. Dr. Vikram Sampath is an acclaimed historian and author. Intoxicating the world's jasmine flower. Dr. Vikram Sampath is an acclaimed historian and author whose work has shed new light on many forgotten chapters of Bharat's history. Over the last decade, he has emerged as a leading voice, bringing fresh understanding to the nation's cultural and political evolution, and as one of Bharat's most versatile contemporary historians. Saina Nehwal. Saina Nehwal's rise in badminton marked a transformative moment in Bharat's sporting history. Her grit and determination rewrote what young athletes believed was possible. Her trailblazing achievements, honored with the Padma Bhushan, inspired millions, ignited the nation's sporting spirit, and established India as a formidable force on the world badminton stage. Applause for Saina Nehwal. Ladies and gentlemen, as Sadhguru has said, it is upon the foundation of service and sacrifice of our brave soldiers that all our activities and achievements rest. Operation Sindoor showcased the readiness and resolve of India's armed forces as they stood guard over the nation's security with precision and courage. The united efforts of the armed forces reflected relentless commitment and selfless service, upholding the highest ideals of honor in protecting the nation. It is our privilege to now invite Air Marshal Jitendra Mishra, SYSM, AVSM, VSM, Air Officer Commanding-in-Chief, Western Air Command, to receive the Bharat Award. Thank you, Air Marshal Jitendra Mishra. Vice Admiral Rahul Vilas Gokhale, YSM, NM, Chief of Staff, Western Naval Command. Thank you, Vice Admiral Rahul Vilas Gokhale. On behalf of the Indian Army, we have Lieutenant General Aditya Vikram Singh Rathi, General Officer Commanding 12 Corps or the Connaught Corps, to receive the award. Thank you, Lieutenant General AVS Rathi. Ladies and gentlemen, our distinguished awardees will now gather for a commemorative photo. And as they do so, let us celebrate them with a big round of applause. Let us also offer our gratitude to Shri Rajnath Singh for presenting the awards and honoring the remarkable achievements of our award winners. Thank you to our award winners and to Shri Rajnath Singh for giving away the first Bharat Bhavya Awards.
You'll be here the whole night, huh? History cannot sleep.
Sadhguru is now going to welcome and felicitate the dignitaries who are seated in the front row below. Shri Devendra Fadnavis.